Hey guys, it's your boy Corey here, and I'm excited for 2026, which marks just a growing chapter in this brand, Real Men Get It Done. So this year, we're looking to multi-stream, multicast, and put content on all the different platforms. So we're here to help you, the entrepreneur, the creator, the go-getter, specifically with cleaning business tips and UGC creation. So that's what I'm a little bit about, and I'm excited to bring that to you in 2026. So feel free, drop any questions or comments in the chat. We're going to continue to answer those questions, whether through social media or when we live cast, live stream, or do our podcast. So yes, we're busy, but we're growing and leveling up together. So I'm excited for all what 2026 has to bring, and continue to follow me on this journey and follow me on all my socials in these streets. Thank you so much. Peace and blessings. Real men get it done. Destroy excuses.